Hello student. So in this class now we are going to learn about the irrational number and also the representation of irrational number in a number line. Okay, that is how we are going to represent them in a number line. Okay, first see everyone that irrational number so irrational number is what? To understand the concept of irrational number, we have to understand what is rational number. Okay, so the rational number is what? The number which can be expressed in p by q form where q not equal to 0. মানে যিবোৰ নাম্বাৰ আমি p by q ফৰ্মত এক্সপ্ৰেছ কৰিব পাৰোঁ লগতে q ভ্যালুটো 0 হ'ব নোৱাৰিব. That means suppose 5 we can write as a 5 by 1. Okay, then 2 by 3, then suppose minus 5 by 7. So these are all rational number because it can be expressed in the p by q form. Also the q value not equal to 0. This is called rational number. Now irrational number is what? Opposite of that. That is a number which cannot be expressed in p by q form. Which cannot be expressed in p by q form where q not equal to 0. This is called irrational number. Okay. So the example of irrational number is what? See, root over 3. Okay, root over 3, then root over 2, then root over suppose 7. These are all example of irrational number. Why? Because if we are going to find their root over value, then we will get a non-terminating and non-repeating number. So now question arises, what is non-terminating and non-repeating? Non-terminating and non-repeating. What is this? And non-repeating. So to understand that, first you have to understand 10 divided by 2. আমি যদি 10 of 2 by divide কৰো আমি answer টো পাম কিমান? 5. Okay, then if we are going to divide suppose 3 divided by 2, then also we will get the answer 1.5. so যিবোৰ number after point এইবিলাক 1.5 এনেকৈ আহিছে. Okay, that means after point 1 এটা digit আছে. কিছুমান এনেকুৱা নম্বৰ হ'ব পাৰে 1.253. so after point 3টা প্লেস লৈকে ই গ'ল তাৰ পিছত ইয়াৰ ভ্যালুটো ইয়াতে ফিনিশ হৈ গ'ল. so this type of number is called terminating number. এইবিলাক কি বুলি কোৱা হয়? terminating number. Terminating means what? it will end হৈ গ'ল. pointer after point up to some place it will go, after that it will finish. Okay, it will stop. So this is called terminating number. But the number suppose like that 3.3333 dot dot. Okay, or suppose 3.6262626262 dot dot. So clearly we can see that here the 3 is repeated. মানে after point only 3 ahi ase. So here 3 to repeated hoye ase, and here after point 62626262 মানে 6 aru 2 to repeat hoye ase. Okay, so this type of number is called repeating. But এটো end নহয়, এটো কেটাও end নহয়, এই পইণ্টটো গৈ থাকিব. so repeating but non terminating মানে যিবোৰ ৰিপিট হৈ থাকিব আৰু কেতিয়াও শেষ নহয় তাকে কি বুলি কোৱা হয়? repeating and non terminating number. Okay, and non terminating means what? Who never end, they will continuously go. And repeating means what? After the point, if the or some digits are repeated, suppose 2 digits are here repeating again, here suppose 1 digit, that is 3 only repeated, but this type of number is called what? Repeating non terminating number. So repeating non terminating number, we can also write this like this way, that 3.33 is repeated na, so you can write 3.3 bar. এই বাৰটোৱে কি বুজাব? এই বাৰটোৱে বুজাব যে ইয়াত 3 টো ৰিপিট হৈ গৈ আছে. then আকৌ আমি লিখিব পাৰো 3.62 bar. ইয়াত কি বুজাইছে? যে 3 ৰ পিছত 6 আৰু 2 টো ৰিপিট হৈ গৈ আছে. যদি মই এনেকৈ লিখি দিওঁ নাম্বাৰটা that 3.1273 bar, that means pointer পিছত 1273 আহে, again 1273, that means এনেকৈ গৈ থাকিব 1273 1273 1273 dot dot. so this is also a non terminating repeating number. but be careful with that. যদি মোক এনেকৈ দিয়া থাকে এটা নাম্বাৰ যে 3.121221 1. So here you cannot consider it as a repeating number. Why? Because here 12 is coming, but here it is coming 1 and 2 2. But here it is coming 1 along with 3 2. There is a number of repetition is not occurring here. Though the same digits are coming, but their amount is not same. So this is considered as a non-terminating and non-repeating. মানে ই repeated হোৱা নাই কিয়া আৰু ই end হোৱা নাই কিয়া. So এই এনেকুৱা নাম্বাৰ বিলাককে কি বুলি কোৱা হয়? ইৰেচনেল নাম্বাৰ কোৱা হয়. So যেনেকৈ √3, √5 এইবিলাক √4 এইবিলাকৰ যদি আমি ভ্যালু উলিয়াব পাওঁ যাওঁ তেনেকৈ ইহঁতৰ এটা নন টাৰ্মিনেটিং নাম্বাৰ কিছুমান আহি থাকিব. So এইবিলাক কি বুলি কোৱা হয়? ইৰেচনেল নাম্বাৰ বুলি কোৱা. ওকে, so যেনেকৈ আমি ৰিয়েল নাম্বাৰছ অৰ ৰেচনেল নাম্বাৰবোৰ যেনেকৈ আমি তোমাৰ ইয়াত এষ্টাব্লিছ কৰিছো নাম্বাৰ লাইনছত, তেনেকৈ আমি irrational numbers to establish কৰিব. So see how to do it. Suppose we have given a number, say we have given a number √3, okay, and we are asked to establish this in a number line. So number line means what? जो हमारे यहाँ पे वो 0, here 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3. ये तो up to infinity. If I to infinity like what is okay, x plus x. So here we need to establish √3 on the number line. So for that, what we need to take? We have to take the help from the Pythagoras theorem. So as per the Pythagoras theorem, for a right angle, this is the hypotenuse, this is the perpendicular, and this is the base. Then hypotenuse square is equal to what? Perpendicular square plus base square. Or hypotenuse is equal to what? Perpendicular square plus √perpendicular square plus base square. This is the formula. We know about this. So now we are going to take the help from the Pythagoras theorem. See what to do. From 0 to 1, we have to consider this is as a 1 unit. This is as a 1 unit. Now take this point as a A. After 1 unit, this is taking as a A. Now draw a perpendicular of 1 unit. Draw a perpendicular from the point B having the 1 unit. So ami এটা পারপেন্ডিকুলার ড্র কৰিব লাগিব বি পয়েন্ট এটা লৈ পেলাই হেতু 1 ইউনিট হ'ব লাগিব. So that means আমি আগতে জয়েন কৰি দিলো. If we are going to join this, okay, this is O, this if we are going to join this, then this will be considered, okay, consider this is O point and this is A point and this is B point. Then OB clearly eto eta right angle triangle হৈ গল. So OB to ইয়াৰ কি হৈ গল? ইয়াৰ hypotenuse হৈ গল. So hypotenuse হ'ব কাৰণে আমাৰ ফৰ্মুলা কি আছিল? The perpendicular square plus base square. So here this is the AB is the perpendicular and this OA is the base, and we have taken this unit 1 square plus 1 square, that is 1 plus 1, that is √2. So we got OB value √2, but we are asked to establish √3 on the number line. Okay, so what we need to take again, we have to draw another perpendicular, say from the point C having 1 unit. So আমি আকৌ B C পৰা B লে এটা পারপেন্ডিকুলার ড্র কৰিলো 1 ইউনিট. So এটা আমি 1 ইউনিট যেটো 90 ডিগ্ৰী এংগল আছে. So now আমি ইয়াক জয়েন কৰিলো. We are joining this one. This is OC. So clearly this was √2. We got OB value as a √2. Now OB is the base for this triangle OBC. OBC triangle কাৰণে OB dal base হৈ গল. That means we can do what? That OC is equal to √OB square plus BC square. Okay, now OB value we got what? That this is the value of √2 square plus 1 square. That means 2 plus 1, that is √3. মানে আমি AC value OC value কেমন পাই গলো? √3. So this is the value of √3. Now what is the second step? That we got the √3. Now we have to establish this in the number line. So what is the second step? You have to take the center at O. You have to take the center at O and take the radius from equal to OC. That means OC eta equal radius লৈ পেলাই আমি এটা arc draw কৰিব লাগিব. We have to draw an arc. And suppose this arc intersect at this point. Say this point name is given D. ধৰি লোৱা আহি পেলাই axis ত তোমাৰ কাটিলেহি D পইণ্টত কাটিব. Then a D point টোৱে হ'ল √3 কাৰণে representation on the number line. So এনেকৈ আমাৰ √3 representation আমি কৰিব পাৰো. এতিয়া তোমালোকৰ question আহিব পাৰে. Maybe some ask you with a question that why this is equal to √3. We prove that this one is root over 3, but now you are saying that this is equal to root over 3. Why? Then you have to give the answer that as we are taking the center at O and taking the radius over here and we are drawing an arc, that means it is the form of a same circle. মানে এটা circular part form কৰিলে আৰু circular all radius এটা circular radius কেইটা সদায় কি হয় equal হয়. so এটো ইয়াতে হওক আৰু ইয়াতে হওক তাৰ মেজাৰমেন্টটো same হ'ব because ই এটা radius represent কৰি আছে. okay, so in this way some question will be given, you have to represent them on the number line. This is the representation of any irrational number by the number lines. okay, next we will see as now we come to know that all the non-repeating and non-terminating numbers are irrational number. So maybe we are asked to find a question. Suppose we are asked to write down the number in the decimal form and what kind of decimal expansion is. Suppose you have given 36 by 100. okay, so you have given 36 by 100. so when you have given 36 by 100, clearly this is 36 by 100 and this is 100 is there, so you can write directly answer is what 0.36. so yet pointer pisot duta digit duta place joa bisoi ki hoy gol end hoy gol. so this is ami yak decimal expansion likhilu and what type of decimal expansion this is terminating decimal expansion. This will be our answer. This is terminating decimal expansion. okay, next we are asked, suppose that 1 by 11, then we need to do the division. 1 by 11, so give this point, you will get 10, but it is not divisible by 11. Again give this 0, it will be 100. 11 9 are 99. Again this will be 1. so here for a point 0 is coming, then again you will get 0, give this 0, then again you will get what 99. that means it will not finish, it will repeat it like 0.090909 like that. it will go again. okay, so ইয়াৰ আমি চাব লাগিব যে ইয়াত ই পইণ্টত গৈ আছে, তাৰ মানে ই কেতিয়াও এণ্ড নহয়. so it is a non terminating, it is non terminating and repeating. it will non terminating হয় but repeating hoy ase. so non terminating and repeating decimal expansion. This is non terminating repeating decimal expansion. so in this way we have to determine if any number become non terminating also non repeating, then you can consider that number as an irrational number. okay, so maybe we are asked some question like that express the following number in p by q form. suppose we are given a number 0.6 bar and we are asked to express in p by q form. আমাৰ ক'ব যে ইয়াত তুমি p by q ফৰ্মত এক্সপ্ৰেছ কৰা. so এনেকুৱা টাইপৰ কোৱেশ্চন আমি কি কৰিব লাগিব চাই লোৱা. ফাৰ্স্ট আমি ধৰিব লাগিব let x is equal to 0.6 bar. okay, and as I have told you that this x can be written as what 666 dot dot. bar to ki represent kori ase, bar is represented that the 6 is repeating, so I can write 0.666 dot dot. now how many number is repeated? Only one digits are repeated, so we need to multiply this by 1. so give this equation number 1 and again 10x is equal to 6.666. give this equation number 2. what we have done, we multiply these two numbers two side by the 10. so 10 di multiply kori at point eta pisole gusi ahibo. okay, now simply 2 minus 1 kora, 2 minus 1 what will we get 10x minus x, and here 6.66 dot dot minus 0.66 dot dot. so clearly 9x 6.66 means what? this portion and this portion. when we will do the subtraction, this portion will be cancelled. then here before point there is 6 and before point there is 0, so 6 minus 0 is what 6 only. so x is equal to what 6 by 9 or 2 by 3, which is in p by q form. jibo amar ki hoy gol p by q form ahi gol. okay, but sometimes we have given the numbers when only not the number may not be given in this simple form. suppose see here ki dia ase yaar amar to 0.47 bar. We have to be careful here that here the bar is given after here the bar is given above 7, that is only 7 is repeated, not 4. So let x is equal to 0.47 bar, or you can write what, x is equal to 0.4777 dot dot, that is 47 is repeated. Okay, now 10x is equal to what, 4.777 dot dot. 10x মানে কি কৰিলো আমি দুইটা সাইডে আমি 10 মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰি দিলো, মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰাৰ লগে লগে এফালে 10x এফালে 2 আহি গল। ওকে, গিভ দিস ইকুয়েশন নাম্বার 1। আৰু এটা আমি কাম কৰিব কি 100 এটা মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰিব লাগিব, বিকজ উই নিড টু কেনসেল দিস 77 না। সো again 100x is equal to 47.777 dot dot, equation number 2. Now simply we can cancel this 7 by subtracting. So 2 minus 1, so 100x minus 10x, 47.777 dot dot minus 4.777 dot dot. So this 77 and this 77 will be cancelled after whatever 7 we have after the point. So we'll have what, 90x is equal to 47 minus 4, that means you will get 7 minus 4 will be 3, 43, and x is equal to what, 43 by 90, which is in p by q form. যেটো আমি কি কৰিলো p by q form express কৰি দিলো। So in this way we have to solve the maths when you are asked to convert this to p by q form. Okay, so in this whatever the maths we learned today, this is about the irrational number, and basically when a number will be irrational, when the number is non-terminating, also non-repeating, then only the number will be irrational. If the number is non-terminating but it is repeated, then this will be considered as a rational number. Okay, so this type of maths is given in our textbook of exercise 1.3. I hope you can solve the problem with the help of this maths. Okay, thank you.